Welcome back, everybody. All right. So there's another important concept that I need to show you here, and that is the concept of comments. Now, with comments here, what ends up happening is you can see at the top here, it says this is the title of this code, and you can see that it isn't exactly rendering, because if we take this away, these two slashes here, we'll run it and it'll give us some kind of error, and as you saw, it gave us quite a bit of errors. So I'm just going to go ahead and put those two back in. So what this means is that this is essentially a comment, and it's something to remind you what is going on, and I highly recommend when you're first starting out to use as many comments as possible. So a single line comment has two slashes like this, and you can type in, this outputs text, okay? And you're thinking, well, of course it's text. Why would we bother to output that? Well, the reason is that if you're coding and you can go to lunch and forget, and that has happened to me several times where I've gone to lunch and I've come back and I've forgotten what I've done, and it's some complicated code, and I had spent like half an hour trying to figure out what I did. So it increases productivity. The second thing is that, let's say, you go to lunch, you go for a weekend, a year later, when you come back to your code, you have no idea what's going on. So the more comments you put in, the better it is. And there's a way you can put multi-line comments. So for example, what you can do is you can just push return a couple times, and then you can go ahead and type in slash and then star, and then star and then slash. Okay, and what this does is that this is a multi-line comment, and you can type in as much gibberish as you want here. But usually at the beginning of something you say, this is where we output text, okay? And you can put them on the side, you can put them above, wherever you want to. So that's up to you what you want to do there. I highly recommend using the comments, especially when you first start out. All right, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.